Hi Year 12s! In the previous video, we looked at the mean of the discrete random variable. Today, we are looking at how spread out the probability distribution is. The most useful way to measure this variability is to find the variance and the standard deviation. Variance is often used to measure how close the values are to the mean. We can calculate it by measuring the spread of the probability distribution from its expected value, and it is shown right below. Variance is equal to the expected value of a random variable minus the mean value of the probability distribution, or variance is equal to the expected value of the squared probability distribution minus the expected value of the probability distribution squared. This will make more sense once we do a couple of examples, but it can be thought of as a measure of how far away a random variable will be from the mean. The standard deviation is simply the square root of the variance. Let's look at a practice question from the 2009 VCAR exam. To find the variance of x, we need to find the expected value, and we can do that by multiplying each value of x by its probability and then adding up all the products. This will give us a value of 2. We then square all the x values and times them by their probabilities. Again, we add up all the products and it will give us a value of 5.2. Finally, we can find the variance by taking away the square of the expected value from the expected value of x squared. Therefore, it is 5.2 take away 2 squared, which is 1.2. Standard deviation is another way to measure the variability of random variables, and it is used to measure the spread of a unit. It is found by taking the square root of the variance. The standard deviation is usually denoted sigma is equal to the square root of the variance of x. In general, we can interpret the standard deviation by looking at the probability distribution. For many random variables, around 95% of the distribution lies within 2 standard deviations away from each side of the mean. It is given by this formula. 3 sigma means that the value is 3 standard deviations away from the mean, and 2 sigma means that the value is 2 standard deviations, and so on. Thank you for watching and happy studying!